Complaining woman orders pizza. Manager sends message on receipt. After telling a woman that she was complaining too much and refusing to serve her, a pizza restaurant manager agreed to fulfill one last order for her. However, he made sure to send a goodbye message on her receipt before walking out the door. As a tradition, Michigan resident Keenyatta Robinson would order pizza for her family each weekend from the Domino's in West Bloomfield. One Friday evening, she and her daughter placed the order. However, what she received wasn't exactly what she had in mind. After receiving their order, Robinson realized that the pizza didn't contain the toppings she had purchased, which was becoming a regular mistake. According to WXYZ, instead of an apology, the manager took the opportunity to take out his anger on the surprised mom. "We used to get the same pizzas every Friday night. On 2 occasions, I received a pizza with no sausage, so I called," said Robinson. "They told me I was complaining too much and they couldn't serve me anymore." Feeling mistreated, Robinson took her complaint to the corporate office, informing them of the exchange she had with the manager. Apparently, the unidentified employee had a history of rude behavior towards customers, and Robinson's encounter was merely the straw that broke the camel's back. After numerous similar complaints, the manager was fired from his position. However, instead of leaving his job with dignity and grace, the manager made sure to get back to the woman he believed was responsible for his termination. So, before gathering his things and heading out to the door, he sent Robinson one final message she'd only receive after he was long gone. After the disrespectful manager had finally left, Robinson placed another order, believing the negative incidents to be behind her. Unfortunately, when she looked at her receipt, she discovered that the rude manager had left her a disturbing goodbye message. In the middle of her receipt read the words. After bringing the message to the attention of other employees, it was clear what happened. Apparently, before he was forced to leave, the former manager had entered the vile words into the online customer database, ensuring that the message would appear on Robinson's receipt for her next order. The ex-employee secretly entered the vulgar message into the database on his way out, leaving co-workers to deal with the effects of his abuse. Because the note doesn't appear on the screen when orders are taken, it was printed on Robinson's receipt without anyone's knowledge. Despite employees apologizing to Robinson and trying to explain the misunderstanding, she said she had enough of the antics. She has since rejected a complimentary gift card and a formal apology from the company, vowing to boycott the establishment. Although the company has attempted to remedy the situation, Robinson says the damage is already done. She refuses to consider that one franchise can make so many mistakes and believes that the most recent incident is inexcusable. Despite Domino's efforts, they've lost a faithful customer because of the behavior of an unprofessional employee. The situation showcases just how much havoc the unprofessional behavior of a disgruntled employee can cause to a reputable establishment.
The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started Jojo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to Jojo Stories, jojostories.com.